Okay, make x the subject of the following formula. Okay, so when it says make x the subject, they want you to just get x to equal. Okay, x to be equal. And there's a bit of work to do, lots of lines, lots of marks for this, so take your time on it. Now, the first thing I tend to deal with is if this thing's dividing here, let's sort this out, let's get rid of this. Now, if this has been divided, you could take it over the other side and do the opposite and multiply. Okay, so if I take that up here and multiply, I'll have y multiply by all of this. So let's put it in a bracket. Okay, so that's all I'm doing, dividing by all of this. Take it up, multiply by y, and then use the bracket to show I'm multiplying it by y. That equals then, I'm left with 3x plus 4. You need to then get rid of this bracket, right? You have to expand this because we want to get x on its own. And as it stands, you've got an x here and an x here, so it's a bit bitty, and you need to get x's onto one side. So multiply that out. That'll be 5xy times by y plus 2y equals 3x plus 4. Next then, get x onto one side. You can do that now. Okay, so we'll do 5xy, keep that there, bring the 3x over. So I'm not doing too much work in one go, I'm just taking it slowly. And that's the best way to do it. Keep your 5xy as it is, bring the 3x over, so it becomes minus 3x. You're left then with 4 here, plus 4. And then this 2y, let's take that over. Let's get that rid of that, get it out of the way, because we want to just have x's this side. So take away 2y. Alright, I know we've got numbers here, we've got that y, but we'll deal with that now. Okay, one step at a time. Now in this case here, we've got x's here. Notice we can't simplify this, it doesn't go together. But what we can do, because it's got a common factor of x, we can now put it back into a bracket. We can factorize. So take x out. What do we times by x to get this? So that'll be 5y. What do we times by x to get that? It'll be minus 3 equals then 4 minus 2y. And then lastly, of course, remember now we're multiplying these, so we'll take the whole thing down and divide, so you have this. Okay? And it's a very similar situation to what we started with, okay? But you had to do all this work so that you had x equals in terms of y.